So, I think Milo has a very strange habit. And I'm not even sure how to explain this. Because it starts very normal. He just walks into the room, all calm, all innocent. Like a well-behaved cat. Sits next to me. Looks around. Acts like he's just here to relax. Nothing suspicious at all. But then, he slowly looks at the floor. Not like, oh hi human. No, this is a very different look. This is the look of someone planning something. I'm still thinking it's nothing. Big mistake. Because the next second, he grabs my hand and starts trying to eat my finger. Like Milo? Since when did I become food? And the funniest part is, he's not even aggressive about it. He's so calm. Like he's just testing it. Interesting texture. Maybe edible? Let me try again just to confirm. Bro, you literally have food. Actual food. Better food. But no. Today's menu is apparently my finger. And look at his face while doing it. Completely focused. Like this is some kind of serious experiment. I swear living with Milo is like living with a tiny scientist who keeps testing the weirdest theories. And somehow, every day, he finds a new one. Honestly, I still don't know. Or am I just part of his diet now? Is this love?